Good morning to all. Today we'll read and discuss a poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat. This poem is written by T.S. Eliot. Macavity here is the name of a cat, and that cat is a mysterious cat. What is it that make him a perfect mystery cat? Let's read the poem and find out. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Hidden here means secret. Paw means animal's foot that has nails or claw. In Hindi you can say panja. For he is a master criminal who can defy the law. Master here means expert, defy, disobey. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying cat's despair. Bafflement here means puzzle, despair means disappointment. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a mysterious cat. His mystery has given him another name, and that name is Hidden Paw. Internal question can be asked from this also. He is an expert in criminal who can disobey the law without any fear. His actions puzzle the police of Scotland Yard. Even the flying squad has in vain tried to chase him. By the time they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity disappears from the scene of crime. So, 2-3 questions that arise here are: Macavity is a mysterious cat. Why? Because no one understands his ways, and Macavity is never punished because he is never found at the scene of crime. And which law Macavity breaks? Human laws. Come to second stanza. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Law of gravity, this law is given by Newton. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Levitation means floating in the air without support. Fakir, this word in Hindi also known as fakir. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. There is no one like Macavity. He has broken all man-made laws. He has broken even the law of gravity. Fakirs have mysterious powers. His floating in the air without any support would astonish even a fakir. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is nowhere to be seen. Macavity disappears from the scene of crime. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. Seek means look for. Look up means observe. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. Ginger here means ginger colored cat. You can see in the picture. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Sunken means deep set. You may try to find Macavity in the basement or in the air, but in vain. One who looks for him finds him nowhere, under or above the earth. Macavity is a ginger colored cat. He is very tall and thin. From the picture you can see these are some physical features of Macavity. And if you meet him, you will easily recognize him because of his deep set eyes. You can see in the picture his eyes are deep sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Brow here means forehead, lined means wrinkled, domed means फिटेड लाइक अ डोम, गुम्बद की तरह। देखो उसकी शेप, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर। Forehead is deeply lined, means is full with wrinkles. His coat is dusty from neglect. Neglect means ignorance. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Sways means moves. Whiskers, these मूछें जिसको आप बोलते हैं। Macavity's forehead is wrinkled. From that, he appears lost in deep thinking all the time. Of which thinking? Of his new crimes. उसे देखने से you can see in the picture, it seems that he is always busy in thinking about his crimes. Criminal look he has. His head sits high on its body like a dome on a building. His body is not well looked after. So, the skin is dusty, the whiskers are uncombed, he moves his head from side to side like a snake, and it suggests that he is always alert. When you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And when you think he is dozing, he is sleeping, he is wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. For he is find in feline shape. Find means devil. Feline means cat, a monster of depravity. Depravity means moral corruption. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. Square means जो चौरस्ता बना होता है, चौक. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. Macavity is a special one. There is no parallel to him. He is a devil in the body of a cat. He is morally corrupt like a monster. You may find him anywhere on your way. He may be there in a by lane or in a square. But when his crime is discovered, the people look for him. He is nowhere to be found.